King Piers, Baldwin City. Old 100+ historic home. At one time it was a beautiful home, I'm sure. We are leveling up the crawl space, pouring footings, and we'll go down here in just a minute. New footings, treated wood support columns. We're getting ready to put a coat of concrete over these face of these walls to waterproof it. Inside here, we've poured 5, 6, 7, 9 footings with vertical supports, leveling up this floor. Here's another footer. King Piers team in action. Baldwin City, stay with me. We're almost finished with this job. For all your foundation repair needs, we are the proven nation's best at what we do. Making homes, historic homes, any home or building. If you're settling out the footing, we can solve your problem by raising the footing back to its correct level elevation. Guaranteed every time, every project. Just go to our YouTube channel and check out all of our videos. Engineering 101. We do not get paid to tear up your house. We get paid to make it better every time. It's one of the reasons we videotape all of our work, unlike everybody else. You might see somebody with a YouTube channel, but they're not really showing everything they do. There he is. There's the man, John. Hi, John. So for all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com.